Okay, so that was the most expensive exhaust I've ever purchased.
Worth it.
But it was worth it. All right, you guys hear that?
Top 3 sounding exhaust I've ever put on.
Top 3 sounding exhaust he's ever put on. Hit it one more time. Dang. Whoa, that's crazy. Yo! Yeah, I got that Ferrari hat on today. What's up, people? It's your boy, Will Motivation, and today we are back at the Toy Barn over here in Dublin, Ohio. And why are we here? We are here to pick up the Ferrari F12, which just got a full FI exhaust, frequency intelligence exhaust, from the downpipes all the way back to the mufflers, straight pipe. Should be crazy. Really nice exhaust system. But now we are here to see how it sounds and how it drives. Then in the next video, we're going to tune it and take it for a test drive after tuning it with that full exhaust. But we're here right now to meet up with Brian, who is the tech that worked on the car, and we are going to see what it sounds like driving it and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to get some flybys. So you guys, we're gonna enjoy this new FI exhaust together. Let's go. So my buddy, Dr. SV, he got an Aventador Roadster, and it is a clean spec. So Dr. SV, I'm here with your car, blacked out. This is a good video. The blacked out Aventador and the blacked out F12 in the same video, same like style of being blacked out. He's got the calipers that pop. I got the calipers that pop on the F12. So we're gonna have to get some video footage. Now he's got, the top comes off of his Roadster. Congratulations to Dr. SV on this beautiful Aventador. It's real clean, man. It's real clean. One thing I like about this spec is not only does it have the green calipers that kind of jump out, it also has the green stitching. So Dr. SV, I'm sneaking in your car to get a closer look. Look at the green stitching. That matches the calipers. That's nice. That's real nice. So congrats to Dr. SV. His car is cleaned up and ready for the car show this weekend. All right, you guys hear that? Top 3 sounding exhaust he's ever put on. All right, so he's dropping it down so we can get a cold start. So what would those other exhausts be?
SLS AMG.
SLS AMG, Mercedes.
I did headers and straight pipes. There was literally no exhaust on it. Yeah, that, Aventador.
Aventador, yeah. All right, so we're getting ready to get a cold start. Should be ridiculous.
So it's gonna start like normal.
Okay.
And then we can, obviously it's got auto, so that'll act like it does from the factory. Okay. Right? Then you got off and on. Okay. So I'll start it with it off. Okay. Cold start, it'll get quiet, and then we'll open it up. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
So
to control.
Try to keep it out.
Oh, that's for the remote?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, sweet, perfect. It's already louder. Oh my God. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. All right, so neighbors, I apologize. Dude, that is sick. Brian is the man. You guys know who to talk to. Toy Barn, there it is. We got Noah, my man here. Shout out to Noah. What's your Instagram?
Iron Gears with a Z.
Iron Gears with a Z. Y'all check Noah out. So they don't call this the Toy Barn for nothing. They got toys for the big boys. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, so they're getting my F12 together. I have sold quite a few cars to the Toy Barn, but they're still waiting for me to buy one from the Toy Barn. So that's coming soon. I'm sure we're gonna make that happen. And I may even sell some cars to them. But they got this one for sale, modded, over 1,000 horsepower is what it sounds like. So he's gonna fire it up for us so we can hear this modified GT500. But yeah, we're here at the Toy Barn, man, and they don't call this place a Toy Barn for nothing. Oh. boost gas or something. Yo! That was nuts. Hit it one more time. Dang. Woo, that's crazy. Yeah. Dang, thanks, bro. Ford Performance. There it is. GT500, Cobra, Super Snake. Oh yeah, so he's got the, what is it, methanol, I think. Predator. There it is, the supercharger, the JLT intake. You already know it's got to be tuned. Livernois, okay, that's good people right there. They did my Mustang back in the day. So this one's all set. So if you guys want that toy from the toy barn, here's one of your options right here. All right, so as we get ready to take the F12 for our inaugural test drive with the exhaust and all that, before we do that, I want to have sort of a message of the day. That message is a lot of times we talk about achieving levels of success, being an entrepreneur, investing, real estate, all that good stuff. But let's say you're into that. Let's say you're grinding it out, you're working hard, and maybe you're achieving some level of success. I want to remind you that sometimes you have to hit the pause button and take time for yourself and your mental health, and just taking a breather to basically protect yourself from being overworked or overstressed when you feel yourself kind of getting at that edge. So don't forget to take time out to take care of yourself, take that breather, take that weekend vacation when you need to, and take care of your mental health. Make sure you stay happy, so that you can do a good job for your customers, your clients, or whatever it is that you're working on. So yeah, as I was saying, me personally, I work a lot, man. Sometimes my life consists of waking up in the morning and, do your hygienic stuff, shower, whatever, brush your teeth, get a glass of juice, and I hit the computer and I start working. And I might not be able to leave the house or leave the computer for pretty much the whole day. And, I have to remember to remind myself to eat sometimes. I have to remind myself to get some exercise. Work is good because you're being productive, but also part of being productive is just taking care of yourself. Not only your mental health, but also your physical health, taking those walks, clearing your mind, going for a jog, hitting the gym, getting that physical activity as well. So, we talk about grinding and hustling a lot, because we're playing with these toys. These toys cost money. We're trying to take care of our families. We're trying to get to the next level. Sometimes if you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to take care of anything or anybody else. So it's super important to take that time you need. And I'm not talking about being lazy. I'm talking about taking that weekend off or taking that evening off. For us workaholics out there, take a break for yourself so you can come back strong. You don't get burnt out. All right, you guys do that for me. Let's continue with the video.
Perfect.
So this is a red-eye wide-body Challenger. It's not spoken for yet, so somebody come get it, man, before I get that itch. That's beautiful. This is the what is the color called? It's the same color as my my Jeep Gladiator. And yeah, it's for sale. They said they think it's modded to 1,000 horsepower. So somebody looking for a Hellcat Challenger, man. There you go. Okay. So this one has a Capristo exhaust. It's got a Vorsteiner kit on it. It's only got like 3,000 some miles on it. It's got carbon fiber. It's got the Audi exclusive matte white paint. Goodness, this is sick. Dang. Dang. We're going to fire up the Ferrari F12 and take it for a ride and see what it sounds like. Let's go. Hey, I'm gonna have some Forgiatos for sale here in a minute because I got some rims coming in. Anybody wants to buy some lightly used Forgiatos 21-22 setup, get at me. So we had an interesting discovery. Apparently, probably on the freeway, somebody at some point hit some debris, like a rock, and a rock flew up inside here. And you guys won't believe how big the rock was. Look at this rock. That was in the F12. Oh, yeah. That is an exhaust right there. Oh my God. All right, so Brian went down the street. He's gonna bring it back. And let's listen for when it's coming back. We'll zoom in on it. F1 status. Ooh, them downshifts. Downshifts never sounded that good in the F12. All right, fellas. We got something here. Okay, can you hit it a couple times? Yeah, buddy. All right, so let's go for a ride, see what it sounds like on the inside. Oh my God, bro. God, that sounds so good. It sounds better than I thought it would sound. I thought it was gonna be raspy.
I knew it was gonna sound unreal.
I thought it was gonna be like raspy and kind of.
Yeah, it's not at all.
Dang, that sounds good. Oh my God. Dang, that sounds good. Oh my God. Yo, hey my man. Yo, you killed it. All right, FI exhaust. Shout out to FI. Oh, the downshifts, man. It didn't sound anything like that before. So now we got downshifts. Now we got F1 and the high RPM. There's a man right there. Knocked it out quickly too. So we're gonna be able to enjoy this at the car show. Shout out to my man Marcus, who's gonna pilot the F12. All right, so get ready. That sounds so good, dude.
Sounds like a Formula 1 car.
Oh, snap. Here we go. Dang! Oh my God. Alright, shout out to Autovlog because he's the first person I know that had this exhaust. And he's the first person I know that had an F12. He has a beautiful new, I think it's called Lava Orange R8. But Man, I know you gotta be missing the sound of this car, man. Yeah, so we got a winner right here. Oh my God, man, this is totally different. This is totally different. The crazy thing is it's not too like overly loud.
It's not raspy either.
Yeah, it doesn't have that wow. It's got a control pitch to it. All right, so coming up next for the F12, we got rims and tires. So Brian's gonna help us out by throwing the new wheels on. I think you guys are gonna like them. Slightly different color, but same size. Should be very, very nice on the F12. So coming real soon. Matter of fact, they're supposed to get here next week. But it's about time we name this car. Once I name a car, that means we're keeping it for a while. So we got Knowledge 2.0. We've got YOLO coming. What do you guys think we should name this car? Drop me a comment. Okay, so that was the most expensive exhaust I've ever purchased.
Worth it.
But it was worth it. That was money well spent. Like I said, shout out to Autovlog and the inspiration for the F12, the inspiration for the exhaust, and shout out to him. Shout out to Brian, man, for knocking this out. He got everything hooked up. All right, guys.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Wheel Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Wheel Motivation and support Wheel. I'm supporting them. You do the same.